Hi friends, in this video we will briefly discuss about simple harmonic oscillator or SHO, a diatomic vibrating molecule can be represented by a simple model. Force and displacement in antiparallel direction. Therefore, the force acting on the molecule is F equal to minus K into X, where K is the force constant and X is the displacement. Next one is a potential energy, that is Vx equal to minus integral 0 to infinity F into dx. So F is the force, therefore this equation changes to 0 to infinity K into X into dx. So K is the constant, so X dx is changes to x square by 2, therefore of kx square. This is the equation for the parabola. We know, according to Hooke's law, frequency equal to 1 by 2 pi square root of k by mu. So k is the force constant, mu is the reduced mass, that is m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 in joules. So vibrational frequency of diatomic molecule or nu square equal to 1 by 4 pi square into k by mu, or k equal to 4 pi square mu into nu square joule. But nu bar, that is a wave number, equal to 1 by 2 pi c into square root of k by mu. So c is the velocity constant. So frequency equal to c by lambda, then 1 by lambda equal to nu bar, we know. Therefore c square nu bar square equal to 1 by 4 pi square into k by mu, or k equal to 4 pi square c square nu bar square mu in centimeter. So previous one force constant is in joule, this is the same force constant in centimeter inverse. The k value, that is in joule k value, that is a k equal to 4 pi square nu square mu, substitute in potential energy. The potential energy changes to 4 pi square nu square mx square or mu x square by 2, or 2 cancel, we get 2 pi square nu square mx square, or 2 pi square nu square ma square. So next one is simple harmonic oscillator in classical approach or classical treatment. So angular velocity omega equal to square root of k by mu, and total energy for simple harmonic oscillator based on classical approach equal to 2 pi square nu square m into a square. Simple harmonic oscillator in quantum mechanical approach. So first one is a Hamiltonian equation for simple harmonic oscillator, that is h cap equal to minus h square by 8 pi square m dou square psi by dou x square plus 2 pi square nu square m into x square. This is a potential energy. The second one is a wave function for a simple harmonic oscillator, that is psi equal to e power minus q square by 2. The another formula is there in wave function for simple harmonic oscillator, psi equal to nn hn e power minus q square by 2. This is a very important formula in wave function, where nn equal to normalization constant, Hn equal to Hermite polynomial or Hermite polynomial nth order. That is, Nn must be equal to b by 5 whole power 1 by 4 divided by 2 power n factorial whole power 1 by 2. So Hn equal to minus 1 power n e power q square d power n e power minus q square by dq power n, or minus 1 power n e power y square d power n e power minus y square by dy power n. So இங்கே நம்ம n equal to 0 இருந்தால் என்ன ஆகுனா h0 that is a Hermite polynomial equal to 1 ஆகும். n0 வேல்யூ வந்து b by 5 power 1 by 4 மாறும். Similarly n equal to 1 இருந்துச்சுன்னா Hermite polynomial h1 equal to 2q நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். அதுவே n1 equal to b by 5 whole power 1 by 4 by root 2 கிடைக்கும். ஓகேங்களா, இங்கேருந்து நமக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் கேட்க சான்ஸ் இருக்குது. So next topic, Hermite differential equation. So dou square pi by dou epsilon square minus 2 epsilon dou pi by dou epsilon into alpha by beta minus 1 into pi equal to 0, or dou square f by dou y square minus 2y dou f by dou y into alpha by beta minus 1 into f equal to 0. So alpha by beta equal to 2n plus 1 is a Hermite polynomial, where alpha equal to 2me by h cross square, b equal to square root of mk by h cross. This is a constant value. So Hermite polynomial for hydrogen is 4x square minus y square. So alpha by beta equal to 2n plus 1. So இங்கே n equal to 1 apply பண்ணால் alpha by beta equal to 3 கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, இங்கேருந்து நம்ம ப்ராப்ளம் கேட்க சான்ஸ் இருக்குது. So energy of a simple harmonic oscillator En equal to n plus of h nu. So we know h is the Planck constant, nu is the frequency, or En equal to v plus of into h nu. So n or v is the vibrational quantum number. Here n value is 0, 1, 2, etc. Then 0 point energy of a simple harmonic oscillator, that is E naught equal to half h nu into joule. So E naught is the ground state vibration energy. So this is the information about a simple harmonic oscillator. Thank you friends.